Hartford HealthCare is among the medical organizations playing a role at the Travelers Championship.
Fox 61's Tim Lammers continues our coverage live at TPC River Highlands in Cromwell with one volunteer. Hey, Tim.
Yes, we're with Hartford HealthCare volunteer Ed Church, who's been doing this for a while, and he's maybe the single biggest character on the grounds. I know it's putting a lot of pressure on you to all of a sudden be entertaining, but glad to have you back. Really,
thanks.
Good to have you here. All right, yeah, before we get into any stories, just tell us about the volunteer program, how many people are there, and what you guys do.
Well, Hartford HealthCare is the main sponsor for the volunteers. You know, and this year there's close to 4,000 volunteers on ground for the entire week, which is quite incredible.
Yeah.
And major props to, you know, Travelers for having, you know, the energy to bring in that many people, you know, which is a great thing. And through that, Hartford HealthCare provides the meals and the drinks for all of the volunteers throughout the week.
It's a major undertaking. That's a lot of people you got to feed.
And then they also do a you know, appreciation dinner Saturday night for all the volunteers. It's quite fascinating.
Now, why do you do it?
I love giving back to the community.
Yep.
You know, I've had the opportunity to do this for the last 4 years, which is quite incredible. And to me, it's giving back to the community because in the tournament, you know, Travelers donates somewhere like $1.5 million back into the community.
Huge amounts of money, right?
So I look at it and say, you know, every time I volunteer, that's approximately, you know, $300 that I'm donating back into the greater Hartford community.
That's a great way to look at it. And also, again, it's not like volunteering has to be hard work. You drive around on a cart and you just get to tell stories with people.
Well,
you've regaled me with stories on the way to the media lab plenty of times. So how fun is it for you?
I love doing it. I mean, I'm lucky that I have a great, you know, I volunteer and I'm with the media, so I do get to drive media people like you around. But, you know, in reality, there's volunteers running the concession stands. You know, there's yeoman's work being done through the volunteers.
Yeah.
So it's not all, you know, a gravy train, if you want to put it that way.
But it's stuff that needs to be done, and yeah, and you and all the people there at Hartford HealthCare have done it, and we appreciate it. I mean, it's unsung. I know you get to come on TV pretty much once a year with us, but we're saying thank you to you on behalf of everybody else that you're representing. So, Ed, thank you so much for the time.
Thank you.
Really, we appreciate it.